right, you guys, hello, welcome back. For those of you that keep following me, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it a lot. And for those of you that are new, I'm Corey and you're watching Casual Girls Adventures. Well, today's adventure, we're gonna go on a trail called Icebox Canyon. You know what? I heard on this trail that there should be some kind of waterfall there. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed. Wish us luck. Hopefully we see it. I'm not sure yet. I've never done this trail. I know that it's only there if we get snow, and we've gotten snow recently. Yes, we got snow in the desert. But anyway, we're gonna get going. It's 1.1 mile in and then 1.1 back. So you do the math, you can figure it out. What is that, 2.2? Anyway, all right, we're gonna get going here in just a few minutes. So we're gonna catch in just a little bit when we have some other cool stuff. All right, we'll see you in a little bit, you guys. All right, you guys, well, we got started, and my special guest today, you guys know who she is. We're with Diane.
Hi.
Oh, the sun is in your eyes. Let us go over here this way.
Is it?
Okay, yeah.
Hi.
So Diane, do you want to tell us a little bit about your channel?
I have a channel that is geared towards outdoor recreation. I do hiking, camping, exploration, just basically anything in the outdoors.
She goes on really cool places, you guys.
Thank you.
I really would like it and appreciate it a whole lot. Some of you are newer to me now. I've kind of picked up a few. But you guys, please go check her out. I'll put her link in the description below. She goes on some really cool places, and she'll teach you a lot of really cool things about her, about what's going on and everything. So go give her a little, you know, support and stuff. I'd appreciate it a lot, okay?
Thank you.
Yay. All right, you guys. Well, we're going to move on. And we're going to check out this channel. Okay. Yeah, I'm awake. It's too early in the morning, you guys. We're going to check out this trail a little bit. So you've got two ways you can go. Which way? Let's go this way. Or I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, see? It's all good. All right. There's another trail right here. What is this called?
There's actually two different trails.
Two different trails. Okay. Oh, I see it. I couldn't see the other sign. SMYC. And what is that? Dales? Oh, that's interesting. Well, if you're interested, looks like Dales is 2 miles that way, one way. And this other one, SMYC, is 1 mile that way.
I feel like it's pronounced Smith.
All right.
Oh well.
Silly kid. That's cool. I like that. But we're gonna keep continuing on to Icebox Canyon. You guys see how fast the terrain changed? Pretty fast. It's beautiful. Man.
I'm going.
Yeah.
Trails.
Okay.
No, people on the trail, silly. Look at this, is so cool. This is really beautiful. I just love how the desert changes so much.
Yeah.
Okay, bud, ready?
Yep.
All right. Oh, okay. I almost fell, actually. Oh, it got climbing up through some just small little rocks, nothing major. We hit some incline a little bit, but not much. And here we go. Well, cool little area to go through right here. Oh. Hi. These little orange markers along the way too, because it's kind of a lack of a sign. So I'm assuming that that means we're going the right way. We've seen a couple of them now. And we're getting deeper into this canyon, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys the view. Because it's been really cool, and it's cooled off quite a bit. And, as I was told, obviously that's why Icebox Canyon got its name. Because it's pretty darn cold down in here. It makes a lot of sense. I should have thought about that. But I didn't. Okay. This is a cool area we're going into. I like this. I love little areas like this. It's crazy. Some more little, not really bouldering, but just kind of climbing up some more rocks a little bit. Just really, man, amazing. Huh. Look at all the green. Isn't that cool? Look at the rocks, the formations. There's someone climbing right over there. I don't know if you guys can see him in the camera view. Right over there. Cool. Rock climbers. Whew. Oh.
Watch out. Wait.
A little slippery there, huh? It's okay. So, okay. We came. Hold on. I'm sorry. 1 second. Oh, there's people there. That's okay.
What are you gonna do?
We came down those little rocks right there. I didn't show you because I needed to hold on with 2 hands and concentrate what I was doing. Now we're kind of climbing through over here. I saw another little orange marker, and we should be getting a little closer. I didn't start my watch, so I don't know how far we've been in or anything like that. But it don't matter. I don't care. I'm still enjoying taking the time and just enjoying the beautiful scenery. Definitely are not in any rush. And it's getting really chilly down here.
Yeah.
I can really feel it just dropping. Yep. So this is where the little rock climbing / bouldering comes in. Not much of a big deal. Chad and I have done worse. Huh, Chad?
Yep.
Craft Mountain. Okay. Well, we came over that log right there. And we've been going through some serious terrain. It's been so much fun. We're going through some more. Whoa, okay. In here a little bit more. If you listen closely, you can hear the water. Oh, look at it. We found some water. We found some water. Woo-hoo. You can see it running right there.
Oh, okay.
It's right here! We made it! Look, you guys, the water's right here.
What do you mean, how bad? Oh, down here? Here's some water right here. I believe, oh yeah,
See? We're going up there still, I think. Well, probably not all the way up there, but we're gonna go up further. You gotta climb up right up in there. But it's puddling down here. And it's trickling around and coming along over here, guys. Oh, along over there. All right, well, we're gonna have to climb up, so we're gonna be back when we get up there. We're here, guys. We're here. Here it is. Icebox Canyon. It's extremely cold. Look at all that snow melt coming down. Pretty cool.
Maybe you guys can go around the back side of this camera.
Beautiful. All right, you guys. Well, we're going to end the video here. We did make it to the waterfall. As you can hear, it was really noisy, so I came down from the waterfall a little bit to do this exit. But anyways, because I really want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it a lot. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification button. You don't want to miss any of my awesome adventures, because I'm going to be taking you on some really cool adventures, some more camping trips and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye!